Alright, so we have our Cobb cat back, doing some VRSF catless downpipes. Dropped the subframe, got the old ones out. Installation was actually pretty smooth. The biggest challenge has been getting everything to line up. And so Jaden here is finding a place for everything to live. And we're making progress. Patience when you do this part. So a couple of things to point out. This is the XI all-wheel drive model, so because of the transfer case, you're definitely going to need to drop the subframe in order to have enough clearance for the job. Also, make sure absolutely nothing is touching anything anywhere and that the downpipes aren't touching together, because if they are, you're going to get a lot of vibration. Also, this car has been garaged the last several years. It is not my daily driver, so all the hardware was in exceptionally good shape. Especially if your car is a daily driver, I would replace any and all gaskets, V-clamp bands, hardware, etc. I went ahead and did that anyway, just for precaution, but for sure you're going to have a difficult time getting some of these things off, and often the V-clamps will break when you remove them.
Oh,